हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हो आप सब? आई होप यू ऑल आर गुड. सो टुडे एज वी ऑल नो दैट हमारा सेशन जो है वो प्रीवियस कंप्लीट हो चुका है. एंड आई होप कि आप सब इधर नए पैशन के साथ और नए कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ और उसी फोकस के साथ यहाँ पर आए होंगे न्यू क्लास को स्टडी करने के लिए. एंड या सो our book looks like this. New book, New Oxford Modern English Book 4. Okay, now let's start to our first chapter. So first chapter name is Pippi Longstocking. Now Pippi Longstocking is the character of the story. So let's start. When Pippi entered Villa Vilecula for the first time, it was a lovely summer evening. The children next door, Tommy and Annika. Now you should have to underline these two words, Tommy and Annika, because these two words are the characters of the story. Were not at home. They had gone to visit their grandmother for a week, and so they had no idea that anybody had moved into the house next door. On the first day after they came home again, they stood by the gate looking out onto the street. They had no idea that there actually was a playmate. Now playmate meaning is play fellow, जिसके साथ आप खेल रहे हो. So please write it down, play fellow. इसके ऊपर लिख लें आप अंडरलाइन करके playmate के ऊपर. They were standing there considering what they should do and wondering whether anything exciting was likely to happen or whether it was going to be one of those dull days when they couldn't think of anything to play. And just then, the gate of Villa Vilecula opened and a little girl stepped out. Now, look at this picture. इसमें जो little girl उन्होंने शो की हुई है. Now, this is that girl. She was the most remarkable girl Tommy and Annika had never seen. She was Miss Pippi. Now this girl name is Miss Pippi Longstocking. Remember that. Out for her morning walk, this is the way she looked. Her hair, अब उसकी जो है वो appearance बता रहे हैं वो Pippi Longstocking की. Her hair the color of a carrot. Look at this her hair color. तो इसके बाल जो हैं वो कैरेट की तरह रेड हैं. तो दैट्स वाई उन्होंने जो है वो कैरेट से इसे जो है वो कंपेयर किया हुआ है. वॉज ब्रेडिड का मतलब होता है कि हम लोग जो उर्दू में जिसे कह लें छुट्टियाँ हम बनाते हैं, ठीक है, इन टू टाइट ब्रेड्स दैट स्टक मीन्स सो टाइटली. ओके. Straight out, her nose was the shape of a very small potato and was dotted all over with freckles. It must be admitted that the mouth under this nose was a very wide one, with strong white teeth. Her dress was rather unusual. Pippi had made it herself. अब जो उसने वो ड्रेस पहना हुआ था वो उसने खुद तैयार किया था, ठीक है. He had meant it to be blue. उसने ब्लू बनाना था. See, इधर आप पिक्चर में लुक एट दिस पिक्चर ऑफ दिस गर्ल. सो ये ब्लू ड्रेस है, आगे हम लोग पढ़ेंगे. बट देयर वॉजन क्वाइट इनफ ब्लू क्लॉथ. लेकिन उसके पास ब्लू क्लॉथ इतना इनफ नहीं था कि वो पूरा फ्रॉक इससे तैयार कर सके. सी द पैचेस ऑफ द रेड क्लॉथ. अब हम आगे पढ़ेंगे. सो पीपी हैड स्यूड little red pieces on it here and there. On her long thin legs she wore a pair of long stockings, one brown and the other black. She had on a pair of black shoes that were exactly twice as long as her feet. Her father had brought these shoes for her in South America so that Pippi would have something to grow into. She loved them and she never wanted to wear any others. But the thing that made Tommy and Annika open their eyes widest of all was the monkey sitting on the strange girl's shoulder. Now look at this monkey. See, he's sitting on her shoulder. So ये वो बात थी जिसने टॉमी एंड अनीका को ज़्यादा हैरान किया. ओके. It was a little monkey dressed in blue pants, a yellow jacket, and a white straw hat. Look at this picture now. A white hat, ठीक है? Okay, a yellow jacket and blue pants. Pippi walked along the street with one foot on the sidewalk and the other in the gutter. Tommy and Anika watched as long as they could see her. In a little while, she came back and now she was walking backward. That was because she didn't want to turn around to get home. When she reached Tommy's and Anika's gate, she stopped. The children looked at each other in silence. Silence means khamoshi, say quietly. At last, Tommy spoke. Why did you walk backward? उसने उससे क्वेश्चन किया है कि तुम पीछे की तरफ क्यों चल रही हो. Why did I walk backward? said Pippi. उस लड़की ने कहा कि मैं पीछे की तरफ क्यों चल रही हूँ. Isn't this a free country? Can't a person walk any way she wants to? Let me tell you that in Egypt, Egypt is the country, a famous country where Arabs and many people live. Okay, everybody walks that way and nobody think it's the least bit strange. How do you know? Asked Tommy. You have never been to Egypt, have you? क्या तुम कभी इजिप्ट गए हो? क्या गए हो तुम कभी? I have never been to Egypt. Indeed, I have. That's one thing you can be sure of. I have been all over the world and see many things stranger than people walking backward. I wonder what you would have said if I had come along walking on my hands the way they do in farthest Asia. Now, this word is not Asia. It's the correct pronunciation of this word is Asia. Now you must be lying, said Tommy. Pippi thought for a moment. You are right, she said sadly. I am lying. Now your जो है वो आज का जो काम है वो आपका वो कंप्लीट हो चुका है. आई होप कि आपको जो है वो आपने अंडरस्टैंड किया होगा इसको. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू आवर वोकैबुलरी वर्ड्स. Number one is freckles. Freckles. Number two is surd. Surd. Number third is wondering. Number fourth is strange. Number fifth is remarkable. Remarkable. Number fifth is number fifth is braided. Braided. Now your diary is reading keywords properly and then write it on your book. And आप जो डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड्स हैं उसके ऊपर आप मीनिंग्स भी लिख लीजिएगा. थैंक यू सो मच. अल्लाह हाफिज़.